Okay, so this is the tree trunk, and I hired some guys to come over and do a grind on it. So we're going to be showing you what the actual grinding machine is going to do, and they're going to actually grind it down about 2 feet is what I'm thinking. So we'll check that out. So this is a grinder. This is going to be grinding that stump out there. So this is what's left from that tree trunk after using the tree mulcher. Well, nothing left, just a bunch of shredded tree. It's amazing how that machine just shred that thing. Took about 30 minutes to shred that tree trunk, but it did a really good job, and I'm happy with the results. I just wanted to show you guys out there what these tree trunk mulchers do and in action. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.